Hi, yo, folks. This is Max from Galaxy Nexus Root.com. So I've got an updated review of the Apex ROM version 1.1.2. This is built off Android 4.0.4. Certainly, this was one of my favorite ROMs, and I'm so glad the new version is out. And with the new version, it's also available for all Galaxy Nexus. The Maguro, Toro Plus, or the GSM, Verizon, or Sprint. You can get it all. And let's go look at the About phone here. Android 4.0.4 again. It's based off the latest IMM76i. Let's go look at some of the features here. So you get the Galaxy Nexus settings. This is really cool. If you want to charge your phone fast on USB, you know how it's kind of slow when you connect it to the USB. What this will do is disable the USB media, the disk drive thingy, and basically charge your phone faster. Just do that and connect to my computer, and now it's charging. All that power is just charging instead of doing all that other stuff. So this is really cool. And with some other ROMs, you get this too, like AOKP, but you have to reboot. But this one you can just do that, and then now it will connect as a regular media device. There's it. There you go. So that's really cool. And multiple colors tuning. This is really cool because now you can kind of get different colors if you want. You can mess with these things here. So if for some reason your screen kind of goes off later, you can adjust this, or you can adjust it to your liking. That's really cool. And then you can go to color hack presets here, and these are actually presets that many other people use. You know, if you want to get the retro look and like a vintage look, you can do that. That's kind of cool, right? But I'm gonna go back to normal here, default here. That's really cool, and it does come with its own customization settings, which is kind of a this ROM is like a mix of everything, like, you know, AOKP, built off CM9, so you get all the CM9 stuff. Customization, CPU performance, you can overclock it to 1.35 gigahertz. You can try another kernel like Franco kernel or whatever, if you want, but this one comes lean kernel. I like to put it on InterActiveX. That's what I recommend. 1.35 gigahertz. Set it at apply boot so it always stays the same. Free memory, I suggest you to put it at 100 and set that at boot too. That'll free up memory much quicker, make your phone run faster. Automatic backlight. This is like, if sometimes, you know, your phone it looks dimmer on the auto thing, then you can use this menu to kind of adjust it to your liking. Device rotation settings, you can set it all on, that way you can view it in all angles. 180 is not enabled by default, but I like to enable everything. I'm like, why would I not want to use that? Notification power widgets. Let me see here. Widget button order. So you can choose all these buttons, I guess, which is pretty cool. And those are the buttons up here. What is it? All this stuff. Custom carrier text. So I've got ZeroMax on here, but I don't have my SIM card inserted for. Navigation bar. Trebuchet, lock screen, navigation bar. All this stuff you can do. But most importantly, this will give you better battery life and performance, and it's one of the best ROMs. I would say this one and the other ROM I posted. Which one was that? That one is AOKP. Yes, this one and AOKP I think are the best ROMs for Galaxy Nexus. So check it out. I love this ROM. Highly recommend it. If this is the first time you're installing a custom ROM, definitely check out the Apex ROM and the AOKP ROM. Available for all three. To install this, download the appropriate ROM zip file for the Apex. It'll be either for GSM, which is what I have, or Verizon or Sprint. Download that, and also download Google Apps. So you got the ROM file, the Google Apps, and then go into Clockwork My Recovery, do a wipe, install the ROM, install the Google Apps, and reboot, and you should be on your way. And I guess that's it. Oh, let me show you the boot up animation. This is really cool for those of you who haven't seen it. So I really like this ROM. Pretty cool. And also for LTE versions, there's an LTE toggle, and for Sprint versions there's WiMAX toggle. So you can save battery by using that toggle. So that's good. And that's the boot up animation. This looks pretty cool. I think this is like one of the coolest boot up animations of all the ROMs. Freaking love it. Bunch of androids, blue androids. Just what are they doing? Anyway, that was a review of the Apex ICS ROM, now available for all variants of Galaxy Nexus. Highly recommend it. If you have a Galaxy Nexus, don't forget to sign up for my email list at galaxynexusroot.com, where we update you once or twice a week with ROM of the Week, tips, hacks, and more. And it's a great way for me to communicate with you, to me, and I don't share your email with anyone else but my dog. I'm trying to teach her how to poo and pee, and it's not working out so well. If you have any good suggestions for a Yorkie, Yorkshire Terrier, don't forget to let me know. She's actually over there, you can see. I'm just waiting for her to poop before she comes in, but it's been like an hour and I don't know why she's not going. Anyway, my personal problems. Stay high on Android, folks, and if you're on YouTube, don't forget to hit that like button for me, and subscribe button up here. It helps me greatly, as this is what I do for a living. And thanks to you guys again if you have. And share this with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, or Google+. There's a button there. And thanks again, and stay high on Android, folks. And I guess that's it. And oh yeah, don't be an iWire. Duh.